Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we make a DIY bird nest. So all we had to need some leaf. Instead of fresh leaf you can use any artificial leaf, a ball of water, Fevicol, balloon, tissue paper and some normal paper, a brush. Firstly we have to tear the paper. Then we add water in Fevicol and we mix in 1:1 proportion. Then we apply this mixture and paper on balloon and cover full balloon with paper and this mixture. When the first coat is complete, then we apply second coat. After completing of second coat, we add our decorative items. You can use any decorative item. Instead of fresh leaves, you can use artificial leaf, any stone, any bead, anything that you have. After sticking all the decorative item, I take tissue paper and cover these all. Time to dry. After drying, we cut the balloon. So this is the final. To make it more beautiful, I use red, yellow and orange color. Then I take a rope and stick 4 layers around the cutting of balloon. Then we take some beads and stick on the balloon. Then I put green color inside. You can use it as a basket. Then I take a ribbon, or instead of ribbon you can take a rope to hang. For making nest, I have take my rope and extended all its threads. Then I take some decorative birds and place them. I also have some bees, so I also place them. And it's the final look of my DIY bird nest. How much you like it, comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you, bye bye.